Well, that was very creative and full of energy. We learned not to smoke huge cigarettes. And I thought the angel was so beautiful in that moment. The next performance is from Senior 1. We have Gerardi, Carlisle, Paul, and Leo. Give them lots of support.
Gentlemen, I'm sure you know that we're holding this meeting because Taiwan has adopted a really effective policy. What did they do? They set up an institution to protect and recover such endangered marine life as the fish species mullets. The video here is about how the Taiwanese people did such a great job in protecting mullets.
Mates, do you feel the same? Recently, when we go fishing in the Taiwan Straits, it seems that the mullets are decreasing at a high speed. I haven't even seen them improve since that year. We need to take some action to protect them. If we don't, we may never improve goals by Chinese New Year.
Wow! But how do you know that they are dying out?
Well, a few days ago, I saw a mullet stranded on the beach, and he was at his last gasp. So I took him home for recovery. He has now restored health. Then he told me what he had been through in the sea. Now, meet my friend, Mullety.
Hey, I'm Mullety, and I'm going to tell you my story. Long ago, alright, not really long, my family and I lived a wonderful life together. One night suddenly, screams woke me up. I saw McDonald's rampaging everywhere. All of a sudden, a fisherman came toward us. My parents pushed me away. When I was back to myself, they were gone. I was still standing one foot. Eventually, I was stranded on the beach. A school of fish disappeared because of aggressive fishing. You never care about the environment, only your own benefit.
Oh, I'm so sorry. What you said is really urgent. But what can we do? Look at this poor fish.
I'm so sad.
How about if we catch some mullets and do fish farming?
No. It won't work. You don't even know our living habits. What's more, fish farming can cause more serious environmental problems.
What else can we do?
Aha! We can set up an institution and do our best to protect them.
But how?
We can just fish adult ones and let the children go so that we can reach a goal to accomplish the sustainability of our marine environment. How about that, huh?
What a great idea!
Don't mention it!
More and more countries have joined Taiwan in protecting marine life. I'm so glad to see a progress.
Yep, so am I. obviously would put so much effort into this task.
Better yet, Japan is protecting salmons now, and they sent an email to thank Taiwan for the idea. Canada, China, and the United Kingdom have achieved success as well.
It's really motivating. Now, let me introduce the founder of the institution, Paul and Carlisle. Let them tell us what we can do to keep marine life from extinction.
Our concept is really easy. Just like what the clip showed, we need to make sure the species balance so as not to damage the marine environment.
Yeah, and what human beings have done actually does damage to the environment severely. We have only one Mother Earth. It's something necessary and urgent to do.
Now, we have a guest from the ocean. Welcome, Multi!
I'm so glad that Taiwan has taken a big step in protecting us. Thank you, Paul. Thank you, Carlisle. Taiwan really did it!
So please, gentlemen, you can take some action to protect the marine environment. Let's protect the Earth together.
You can say that again. Taiwan has really made a considerable influence on protecting nature, and we should follow their example. I'm sure that we can make it.
Please protect the marine environment together with Taiwan.
Thank you for watching our performance.